we've got a quick one because the sun has set, the rains are coming.
I'm in dynamic mode, right? Yeah, so my valves are open, yeah. Oh, did you see that? Don't want to do too crazy speed.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max, and today we've got a quick one because the sun has set, the rains are coming. It is going to get crazy with rain soon. So I'm going to do a quick walk around of this awesome Sonoma green Audi RS4 by Elmer House, and I'm going to tell you more stuff about it when we get inside. So before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive updates when we upload a new video, and follow us on Instagram at AutoTopNL. Okay, so as I said, Sonoma green. I'll check under the light. You can see it's an absolutely beautiful color. I know we've driven a couple of tuned RS4s and RS5s. We've got some awesome Arancio Borealis brake calipers. That's a Lamborghini color, which is awesome. A lot of black. We've got an HMS exhaust. Okay, we have to leave because of that truck, so we're just going to drive it. I'm sorry, this was super quick. But those brake calipers, how awesome are those, guys? Arancio Borealis, a Lamborghini orange. Absolutely stunning. Also absolutely awesome is that color, Sonoma green. You guys know I love green cars. You guys know I love estates. I love fast station wagons. So this is a really good car for me. So the guys at Elmer House have actually remapped the ECU. It has an OPF delete, so that's gone forever. It has an HMS Valvetronic exhaust, as I said. It has a KW adjustable suspension kit. And it is freaking fast. It has 520 horsepower, 810 Newton meters. And it actually does 0 to 100 in under 3.5 seconds. Which is very quick. It does 100 to 200 in 8.91 seconds, which is very, very fast. And of course, I've told you guys about this a million times. I'm going to do it again quickly. This car needs a tune. It needs an ECU remap and it needs an exhaust. Desperately. Because there is potential in this 2.9 liter 6-cylinder engine, but you have to do something about it. You have to trigger it to sound good and to feel better. And this feels like it has no problem at all delivering this power. Man, this thing runs freaking smooth. Smooth as hell. I'm in dynamic mode, right? Yeah, so my valves are open, yeah. It's an absolute joy to drive this car every time. If it has like 500 plus horsepower and an exhaust, these cars are delicious. So unfortunately it is a bit dark, so I hope you guys can see properly. It's so dark because of the clouds. It's just thunder clouds. You see, that's much lighter over there, but this is just ruining my light. I've been told this is typical weather for this region of Germany, so it's wet here as well. Yeah, we are going to turn around and go back to the dry stuff. Woo! So we've got some crackles on the upshifts as well. Wow, the road is actually... There's actually steam coming from the road surface because it's been super hot all day. Here we go.
lightning bolt. Ooh, it's empty. Don't want to do too crazy speeds because I don't know where stuff is wet. So that's about right, 292. This thing is seriously quick, guys, and I love the spec of this car. I think this is one of the best RS4s I've seen in my days. And I know that some of you don't agree with me on this, but let me try to convince you. There's something really romantic about doing this. Doing like high speeds in a family wagon on the German Autobahn. You know, the sun has just set. There are streets that are super empty. You can floor it. You have all your stuff in the back. There's something so utilitarian about having a wagon, and then the petrol head version is having a fast version of that. So this car drives almost as well as an RS5, for instance, but it's way more practical, and I think it looks better, but that's very personal. But this is just something that I really love, and the fact that it's in this crazy spec, it just makes everything fit together really well and forms this beautiful green cocoon of happiness for me. So this is now actually turning into a night PUV on the Autobahn. Talk about your multitasking. We can do it all. Do we have any interior lighting? Let me check. Yes, we do. There's some blue. Haha. Cool. Woo! So, as you know, the guys at Elmhaus are really good at tuning their cars. It all runs really well. Wow, another big lightning bolt. Every time we come here, by the way, we have these crazy thunderstorms. Don't know what's up with that, but I really love the combination that Elmhaus do. The individualization they do combined with the engine tuning, and every car we drive over there really they are really catered around the person, you know, and I really love that about car tuning. It's not like a pre-packaged deal. You know, every RS4 owner goes to Elmhaus and they all get the same stuff. No, this guy had a green one, he loved it, so they made the RS badges green on the rear. They made the engine bay green, they matched the floor mat stitching to the outside color. So they really try to make every car special for their owner, and I really love that approach. Okay, so since it's freaking pitch black now and we are entering Ottersberg, the village, we have to slow down here. I'm going to end it. I hope you enjoyed it. The walk around was super quick, I'm sorry about that, but I think we're going to do this car again when it has more power, like 650 with bigger turbos. So I owe you guys a walk around of this awesome Sonoma Green RS4. You'll get that later. For now, thanks for watching. You can subscribe by clicking the big button in the middle. You can also check out this video on the right or check out this playlist on the left. Thanks guys, see you at the next one, bye.